divided into two. That means life and non-life. We use life, everybody know life insurance, LIC is there. But non-life, we used to call it as general insurance. All this plant and machinery will come into the general insurance. Not only the plant and machinery, the civil engineering, everything will come into the, other than life, will come into the general insurance. General insurance or non-life insurance. These are the policies are designed to give the insurance protection for the properties and loss of revenue coverage to indemnify the loss due to the operation of insured peril covered in this policy. I already told you the life insurance and non-life insurance. The non-life insurance has been segregated into the another file. Motor insurance. Motor insurance dealing with your two-wheeler, car, bike, everything, bus, lorry, everything will come into the motor insurance. Fire, I already explained you, fire insurance, our plant and machinery will come into this. Health insurance, mediclaim. Health insurance come under mediclaim. And marine insurance. In marine, there is two portfolios are there. Marine hull and marine cargo. Our machinery will be come under marine cargo. Hull is nothing dealing with the ships. Marine hull. Apart from engineering insurance. These are all the 5 detailed insurance portfolio available at present. First of all, you go into the fire insurance. What is the fire insurance? Irrespective of size, and every business needs the fire industry insurance policy. In every office, the company keeps plant and machineries, equipment, the important files, document assets, everything. If a fire happens, it will be a great disaster for the. So buying a fire insurance policy became important, which promises a financial guard to the against losses in damages. The term fire connotes actual ignition under accidental or fortuitous circumstances. Any policy, any insurance come into play only if something happened fortuitously. Fortuitously means unexpected. Should be unexpected period. Spontaneous fermentation or heating or scorching without ignition is not a fire. A fire lighted for a defined purpose, say warming or manufacturing, is not a fire. Fire understood in the fire insurance policy. If it is confined within its own limits. If such fire breakouts is bound and ignites other property, then the loss is within the scope of the fire insurance in view of the both elements, ignition and accidental being present. In other words, there is said to be a fire within the meaning of insurance. For example, if you take a fire insurance for your factory or your industry, it covers the cost of stocks damage in the fire. Whatever the stocks you are holding in your premises, it will be automatically covered, unless otherwise it is declared earlier with some insurance. In some cases, it gives a, of course, death benefit also to the family of employees if just dies in the fire accident. It gives the replacement of repair. It gives either replacement cost of the damaged goods or repair cost. If the machine can be repaired, the insurance will come into play only for the repair cost of the machine in case they are damaged due to the fire. Here, there is actual ignition. If it is a fire accident, there should be actual ignition should be there. Origin of ignition should be identified by the surveyor. The property is one which ought not to have been fire, and the fire is purely accidental and or fortuitous in origin as far as the insurance is concerned. It should be a fortuitous occurrence. Then we come into the basic principle of insurance. What are the basic principles that insurance playing with? This principle not only applying for fire insurance, it is applicable for all the insurance except life. Of course, life is some of the things will be covered. All these six identifications there. One is utmost good faith, insurable interest, indemnity, contribution, subrogation, proximate cost. Just to know the condition of the insurance, I am saying this. These are the very important. I can see it is a very important thing to be incorporated in the insurance. It should be maintained even at the time of claim, not only at the time of putting the policy. It should be proved at the time of claim also. These are the things. It is. I can see it is a corollary of insurance. Without this corollary, the insurance will not play a role. What are the policies under fire insurance? What are the policy can be fire insurance can be done? Material damage can be covered. Whatever the material, I already told you, it covers the cost of stocks. Cost can be easily covered under this policy. Fire loss of profit. LOP. The mission stopped. The mission, your cargo, your machinery got fired and it has been stopped. Due to which the loss of profit will be applicable on this. It can be covered. SFSP, Standard Fire and Special Perils Policy. It is a maximum number of policy being issued in the fire portfolio for number of people in the industry. What is the coverage? What all things can be covered? Building within the premises, within your factory, your admin building, or your boiler building, everything can be covered in this policy. Plant and machinery, furniture, fixtures, and fittings. Stock of raw material. Your raw material, you are buying material from other outside, it can be covered. Stock in process. The material which is coming to the various process can be covered up to time. Finished goods. After the things are coming to the finished goods can be covered. For finished goods, you have to pack the material into some other boxes or bags. Everything can be covered as a packing material. Packing material can be covered. These are the four: stock of raw material, stock in process, finished goods, and packing materials can be covered. What can be insured? What all things can be insured against it? Buildings, offices, shops, hospitals. If your industry is a hospital, can be covered outside the compounds of the industrial and the manufacturing risk can be covered. Industrial manufacturing risk. Standalone utilities. If your office is away from your standalone utilities, can be covered. Machinery and accessories can be easily covered. Storage risk. If at all you are going to store the material to some days, can be covered. There are stipulated time is already given to the insured for which number of days can be covered for this storage risk. Tank farms, gas holder. If you are storing your furnace oil, something else, tank farms can be covered. Gas holders located outside the compound of the industrial risk, it can be easily covered. Remember, the fire insurance fire accidents are unexpected and destructive. Once it has happened, nobody say what is the extent of damage. We will come to know after the completion of the fire fully extinguished. A fire insurance policy gives the financial security to the home, furniture, shares, and other business assets. It will automatically give the financial support to your business. The policy is useful to use the price of properties and assets which get damaged due to fire. It is having a fire insurance policy is necessary for the personal, social, and national sector. What are the perils can be covered? Fire. Fire can be fire. What are the perils? Perils means what is the condition, lightning and flood, everything can be called as a peril. Fire, excluding destruction of damage, its own fermentation, natural heating, spontaneous combustion, it's undergoing any heating or drying process, burning of property insured by order on any public authority. Under lightning, after the fire, lightning can be covered. Any property damage due to lightning can be easily covered on this. Explosion or implosion of the aircraft damage. Aircraft damage is your machinery got damaged due to the aircraft. This damage can be covered. Riot, strike, and the malicious damage. We used to call it as a RSMD. Riot, damage due to riot, strike, and the malicious damage can be easily covered in this fire policy. Storm, cyclone, typhoon, tempest, hurricane, tornado, flood and inundation, impact damage, everything can be easily covered in this. Subsidence and landslide, including rock slide. If your industry is located nearby your this thing, it can be easily covered. Rock slide can be easily covered. Busting and or overflowing of water tanks. See the photo. The overflowing of water tanks can be apparatus pipes. It can be easily covered. Missile testing operation. Missile testing operation can be covered with the minimum output of what is the things going to be carried out. Leakage from automatic sprinkler installation or bushfire or everything can be easily covered in this policy. What is covered in the what is not covered in the policy, fire policy? Exclusion. You can say it is exclusion. If any cause of loss located in this exclusion, the payment of claim can be repudiated. That means loss or damage to the property due to spontaneous combustion fermentation. It will not be covered. Burning of property by order of any public authority, it is not covered. It's undergoing any heating or drying process. Explosion of boilers other than domestic boilers. So if at all you want to insure the boilers within your premises, there is a add-on cover is there. You can cover with this add-on cover. Total or partial cessation of work can be covered, cannot be covered. Permanent or temporary dispersion of by order of government, burglary, housebreaking, theft, not covered. Normal energy settlement and bedding down of new structure, war and warlike operation, defective design, workmanship, defective material. But defective design and workmanship and defective material has to be established at the time of any claim. These things has to be established. Because of this only, a damage occurred. As a surveyor, we have to establish these things. Pollution and contamination cannot be covered in this. Overrunning, short circuit, etc. Earthquake, spoilage, loss. If at all anything to be covered in this exclusion, as a add-on cover, you can go for and ask for the insurance company. Based on your weightage, they can give the policy coverage for these things also. If it is in the exclusion. Special case for the fire insurance. Long-term policy, reinstatement policy. We used to have the RAV policy, reinstatement. It means reinstatement means you will be getting the new material. If it any pump got damaged, you will be getting new pump. Instead of old, you will be getting new. For which you have to go for RAV policy, reinstatement policy, for which you have to pay more premium also. Based on if you compare with this premium rating, it will be somewhat higher than the other premium. Special policies for stocks. All special policies cover stocks are market value policies. Market value policy with a special clause attached. These policies are floater policy, declaration policy, floater declaration policy. Floater policy is nothing but you have running industry in India with multiple branches all over India. Say 6 or 7 places all over India. One in Delhi, one in Chennai, one in Mumbai, like that. It can be covered in one policy. That is a floater policy. The address should be given prior to the inception of policy, and everything will be taken care of. Declaration policy and the floater declaration policy also available for the. It is IAA policy. IAA policy is one of the main policy which value of your industry is more than 100 crores. If it is more than 100 crores, the IAA policy can be opted for. IAA policy covering all the things, all the fire policy, marine policy, engineering policy, everything in one policy can be given in one policy. It is the IAA policy. Navaratna, this will BHEL, HAL, they are good. If at all they are going for further improvement, they will take for IAA policy only. It is a package policy based on the exclusion of the excluded property. Basis of sum insured is only on RAV. See here. The basis of sum insured should be in RAV only. You cannot take another policy. You have to go for RAV policy and not on market value policy. To issue IAA policy, minimum sum insured is minimum declaration should be 100 crores, other than petrochemical risk. The policy consists section material damage 1, section 2 business interruption, that is FLOP, fire LOP, loss of profit, and the machine LOP, MLOP. But here the FLOP is compulsory, but MLOP is optional. You can take it optionally or you can leave it. It is a single document covering fire and allied perils, all engineering operational policy and the miscellaneous policies such as theft, burglary, and the policy bodies are international character. Means if you take the policy condition in India, if you take the same policy condition out to overseas, it will be same like that, because the policy condition will be same as the IAA policy. This is the main aim of the IAA policy. Now we are coming to the engineering insurance. After fire insurance, we are coming to the engineering insurance. See here, the premium cost is it's volatile in India because it is in open market. If a A insurance give you ₹1 as a premium for 1 lakh, then the B insurer will be ready to give you 80 paise per 1 lakh. There is a hectic competition prevailing between the insurance company, so that it will be very helpful for the insured to take over the correct premium for their industry. Therefore, before buying the insurance policy, it is important to read the terms and conditions of the policy carefully, because some insurance gives some reason behind it, and some insurance will be giving giving more business to the insured. That is the thing. We have to take read of the policy carefully before getting to the policy. For SME, for in plant and machinery, standard fire insurance is okay. Burglary insurance you can take. Portable all risk insurance you can take over. And contractor all risk insurance can be taken. Factory and warehouse insurance also can be taken. Based on your this thing, you can go for add-on cover. That's why I already told you. If the things your loss of loss based in exclusion, you can go for add-on cover. You can ask the insurance company for add-on cover, stating that I have these are on the peril. I need extra. I am ready to pay extra premium. Please give me the add-on cover, so that the insurance company will discuss and give you the what other things can be given to you based on this your property. Now we are going to engineering insurance. What are the engineering insurance you can make dividend to? For engineering insurance, construction insurance policy can be given. Operation policies can be given. In construction insurance, there are a lot of these things are available. Now I am going to deal with contractor all this policy and the storage cum erection policy. Storage cum erection policy are more useful for the machines which are already arrived at the your site. What is the background of these two broad groups? You can say engineering insurance basically originated in UK and the middle of the 19th century with insurance against boiler explosion. Is other insurance like machinery breakdown. Machinery breakdown used to call as a MBD policy. Not even the person who is having only 2 or 3 machines, you can go for machinery MBD policy. He is having only some drilling machine, some milling machine. They can go for MBD machine very well. Project insurance became popular with the growth of the industry. There are 2 broad groups in the industry for face cover, construction face cover, operational faces cover. What are the list of engineering operation policies available in this? See here, MBD. I already told you MBD can be given for the even small scale industry also. Electronic equipment. Nowadays, your maximum machines are combined with electronics equipment. That's why it can be covered as both MBD and electronic can be covered for your vertical milling machine, horizontal milling machine like that. Boiler and pressure plant policy can be exclusively by boiler. Contractor plant and machinery. You used to call it as a CPM. Contractor plant and machinery. A contractor will be having lot of machineries in the site for which the insurance they will need the insurance, because the proposer who is giving the job to the contractor will need the insurance first. That's why the contractor has to take the policy before the work starts at the site. It is defined. Deterioration of stock process. Deterioration of stock data, as already with you, can be easily covered. Civil engineering completed risk. We need to call this a CECR. Civil engineering completed risk can be covered. Machinery loss of profit, MLOP. These are the things, operation policy, which are available at present for our plant and machinery. Which are plant engineering will be very useful for availing this type of policy for their factory or industry. What is the phase of all its policy? This is see here. Contractor always already told you. Car policy. We used to call it. We will be seeing a lot of car here. It means contractor all risk policy. EAR policy, erection all risk policy. It will be applicable. Contractor all risk policy, I already told you, when the contractor enters the premises of the site for his proposed site, they will be having a contractor all risk policy. It will be covering all his machinery within the premises and everything will be covered for his machinery. Erection all risk. Erection all risk means when the machine is coming from overseas or some to Chennai from overseas, can be easily covered in this erection of this policy. We used to call it as a EAR policy. It means once the material being started for erection, the policy come into act until it the completed trial run is taken. Then only the policy will cease. That means until the start of the erection, on completion of the erection, including the trial run, it will be applicable. That is the main aim of the erection of this policy. Because somebody will be taking the marine policy extra overseas. Somebody will be taking the ER policy, marine policy outside the and the erection policy separately. This are the thing it will be helpful for the ER policy. Storage cum erection policy, SCE policy. Storage cum erection policy are available for storage until it reaches. That means all the way the machinery has traveled from overseas to Chennai, it reaches the factory. Once it reaches a factory, it may take 6 months or 6 weeks or 6 weeks or 6 months. The storage risk will be covered until the erection completes. Same like this erection dogs policy. After the erection risk, the trial run will be taken. Once the trial run is taken and the machine is coming to flow, then the policy pieces. That is the aim of the storage cum erection policy. Marine cum erection. Marine cum erection means both. It will be covered under the both erection and storage risk. You can say marine cum erection policy same. If at all you are going to insure your machinery at the supplier side in say in overseas, the policy coming to act at the time of the lifting your machinery at the origin supplier end until it will come into come to force on successful completion of erection. That is after trial. That is the aim of the policy marine cum erection. We used to call it as a MCE policy. These are all the policy, car policies, contract policy, EAR policies, erection of risk, storage cum erection is SCE policy, and marine cum erection is MCE policy. These are all the main things covered in the engineering industry. What are the business interruption? Most of the big groups used to take it as a business interruption clause also. Ordinary industry or your your plant and machinery, they will not go for business interruption. Maximum having more than 50 crores or like this, they will go for the ALOP, advanced loss of profit. Loss of profit is nothing but it will not be serious with this claim with the machinery damage or anything. It will cover the financial loss of your machinery stoppage. If the machinery is stopped for 2 or 3 days, but availability of some parts and something else, the cost of financial loss due to this machinery will be covered under this FLOP. This is a ALOP. What are the losses? Following losses that damage property can be comes under AR and CAR. AR policy and CAR policy. What are things can be covered? Construction of cooling towers can be covered. Construction of bridges can be easily covered. Construction of roads, even though it is comes under engineering policy, all the civil and mechanical can be linked together, can be easily covered. And the construction of roads and flyovers can be covered. These are the things. What is the sum issued they are going to take? It is a bid awarded to the successful bidder. It will be taken as a sum issued. The sum issued, they have to submit a copy of the bid to the insurance company, and the maximum amount that has been bidded will be taken as a sum insured for the construction of roads or flyovers, housing and chimney projects, construction of bridges, construction of cooling towers, etc. It will be based on the bidding amount of the successful insured. Scope of this project insurance. What are the scope of this project insurance? Scientists, you can see the photos. These are the things I have attended some of the claim on the engineering industry. It is one of the EAR policy damage due to the cyclone. What is the see? You can see the roof and some testing equipment also got damaged. These are the things. Scientists, you can see the photo also. Now we are seeing the scope of insurance. What is the scope of insurance for this EAR policy? Marine construction or risk can be covered. Erection or risk. Erection means up to anything, any complication that arises due to erection will be automatically covered on this erection or risk. Marine construction also comes in. Marine construction will be covered due to it will be movement of your equipment from origin to your final destination will be covered on the marine construction or risk. Professional indemnity. We already seen that ALOP, advanced loss of credit. It is a financial loss. Delay in startup. See, everything has been completed, but not in completing, not in time. It means DSU come into play. Some real reason, reasonable reason has to be given for the for delay in the startup. It can be covered because some of the agreement will be on fine basis. If at all you are not completing your project within the stipulated time, you will be fined. For which the insurance company will insurance come into play, and you will be compensated. If it is your delay is reasonably accepted. Professional indemnity. These are comes under professional indemnity. Marine covers cargo transport by any mode of conveyance to the site and fabricated effects can be covered. Your boiler, after if the supplier is supplying the boiler at their end, it has always making the journey from some Karnataka to Chennai. It will be the current comes into play, marine policy comes into play. They will take the risk of this your marine cover. Therefore, your any untoward incident will be easily covered with up to site or fabricated premises can be easily covered. Marine combination policy, MCE policy. How the MCE policy plays a vital role. MCE policy provides marine all risk cover in the constitution with EAR, CAR. EAR nothing but erectional risk and the contractual risk. These are it is conjunction with both the EAR and CAR, the MCE policy is policy period commencing with this dispatch of first conservation. We already told you marine policy usually started, this risk will be started at the time of dispatch at the first consignment to the project site. A separate marine transit policy imported and indigenous equipment, project material on all this plus WAR, SRCC. We already told you WAR, you know WAR, what is the WAR? SRCC, strike, riot and civil commotion, SRCC. Terms is issued in the conjunction with the EAR SE policy. EAR nothing but erection all risk policy and the SE policy. Storage cum erection policy. Fabricated work extension policy. Project material against to and fro transit risk and the storage risk of the fabricated premises. Marine policy issued in conjunction with the other policy. Considering the CAR policy, marine construction all risk in conjunction with the EAR, marine erection all risk policy can be issued. These are the policy being issued on the requirement of your requirement only. Because you have to say what is the things you are required. Whether you are required for a CE policy or EAR policy, or CAR policy. If you explain your types of risk, the insurance company also can explain you what the things you are adequately required. Not only that, not only insurance, lot of brokers, insurance brokers are available in the fray, and lot of insurance advisors also, insurance agents also available. You can very much take the opinion from them. You can and choose the exact policy you require. What is the coverage under marine policy? In marine policy, there is two coverage: ICCA and ITCA. ICCA deals with the international class, international cargo class. ITCA is indigenous transfer class. ITC nothing but ICC is nothing but it will be covering from overseas to here local. This to India, overseas to India. ITC is within India. Some of the movement is between Delhi and Chennai. That things can be marine car can be covered under ITC. If it is movement is from overseas to India, ICC can be covered. A denotes all risk. All risk means anything, but it should be defined in the policy. Anything means it should be defined in the policy. That is a policy coverage, ICCA and the ITCA class. Insured value up to CAF plus 10%. CAF is nothing but cargo class, cargo value, insurance value, and the freight value. CAF plus 10%. The sum insured, the value what we are going to declare is CAF plus 10%. 10% is nothing but your additional expenses. If at all any claim arises, you have to bear any additional expenses. These additional expenses can be easily insured. That's why you are going to insure for a CAF value plus 10%. You can insure the import duty also. If at all you want to insure your duty, customs duty can be insured. To and fro transit from your fabricated premises can be also be insured. Strikes, riots, civil commotion, SRCC, extension as per institute strike classes. Yes, there are classes ISC, institute strike classes available. War risk exclusion as per institute war class is also available only, but it's applicable for sea and air only. These are available for marine. What is the available contractor policy? That is car policy. Car policy purpose is to give the interest of contractors, principals, financial. If at all you are going to take the project in the premises against your for your principal or financial, it has to be they will insist for taking the insurance policy to protect their interest, because they will be having interest on your project and they will be allocating their project to you. Then they will expect you to take the insurance policy. Policy ideally suited for civil engineering project like multi-story building. If it is if it is multi-story buildings, they are flat promoters. They can go bridges, flyovers, dams, roads, canals, silos, tunnels, etc. Value of civil works should be more than 50%. These are all the things covered on the car policy, contractor policy. What is the scope of cover under this CR policy? Policy provides comprehensive all this cover. All this cover can be covered in this subject to exclusion. Any exclusion cannot be covered in this policy, not only in the car policy. If at all anything comes under exclusion, it will not be covered in the policy. But it should be defined prior to issuance of insurance policy. Policy covers besides other perils following major construction risk, fire, explosion, likely accidental damage, construction, dropping, falling, bad workmanship, defective material, human error, lack of skill, negligence of workers, laborers, AOG peril. AOG peril means act of God peril. It is a rainy, the cargo damage due to rain or flood or cyclone. These are the AOG peril, act of God perils. Collapse, pollution and impact, theft, burglary, malicious damage. These are the things can be covered. Two sections, material damage and third party liability. See here, the photo indicates that is the damage to the your project site. The boundary got damaged. Boundary got damaged in the road. Temporary road structure has been got damaged due to this. The policy come into the picture, for which the photo is here with attached. Two sections. What are the two sections? Material damage and the TP liability. That is third party liability. What is your policy coverage? Policy coverage. Section 1, material damage. All this cover, all this other than exclusion, it should not be under exclusion. This means almost all any sudden and unforeseen loss or damage will be covered, including accidental loss like collapse and impact fire, lightning, explosion, AOG peril. I already told you AOG peril is nothing but act of God perils like STSF, storm, tempest, flood, indentation, STFI, growth, earthquake, landslide, rock slide, human perils. You can see a lot of fire policy and engineering policies. Some you can say some exclusion and policy conditioner somewhat equal to one another. Not fully equal, somewhat equal to one another. These are things. Bad workmanship also can be covered. Lack of skill, negligence, malicious act, human error, terrorism, etc. What is the exclusion under this policy? Deductible. Deductible. What is the meaning of deductible? Deductible is nothing but excess. In policy terms, in insurance parlance, we used to call it as excess. Excess means you have to bear the some amount of claim value to on you. Because if the claim value is 1 crore, if the excess indicated in your policy is 10 lakhs, you will be reimbursed with 90 lakhs. That is the meaning of excess. That means you are also shouldering some of the responsibility of the claim value onto you. Not only the insurance is ready to give you the balance amount other than excess. Excess cannot be paid under this exclusion. Inventory loss. If the inventory loss already you have received the material shortage, it can be covered. Normal wear and tear cannot be covered. Gradual deterioration cannot be covered. These are all the things cannot be covered under this policy. Rusting, breakage of glass. Rusting of it is a natural phenomenon for which the insurance cannot be come into play. This natural phenomena has to be avoided in all the way. It should be easily not covered in this policy. Correction of any error unless resulting in physical damage loss. This cannot be covered in this policy. Files, drawings, currency, and checks, account bills. These are the fundamental of financial business, stamps, tagging material, vehicle license for road use, loss damage due to faulty design, cost of repairs, rectification, replacement of defective materials, and bad workmanship. The particular item affected not to the consequential accident. What is a consequential accident? Consequential accident is nothing but the damage due to the further damage. One of the damage causes to the further damage of the material. If the fire, the origin of the fire is some cable, it may damage the other stocks in your premises. That is the consequential loss. Consequential loss due to such defective material or bad workmanship, war-like perils, terrorism, nuclear reaction, nuclear radiation, or radioactive contamination will not be covered under this policy. These are the general execution under car policies. That is ordered from this policy. Willful negligence of the issued or of the responsible representative cessation of work, whether total or partial, contractual penalties, performance of guarantees. These are things not be covered. What is the other provision available? Due to paucity of time, I want to rush over some of the main this thing. However, anything can be covered in this. Maximum I will try to cover. This is the policy period. What is the policy terms of work and unloading of first consignment? Policy will start to work at the time of policy period. The cover expires the completion of the project. It will be completed at the time once the project is completed. However, for construction plant and machinery, construction plant and machinery can be where sum insured for CPM does not exceed 5% of the cost. That means sum insured for contractor plant machinery does not exceed 5% of the contract all risk policy. That is surrounding property. For surrounding property, you have to declare as a separate sum insured for the special risk. What are the erection all risk policy? Now, see here, whereas car policy is concerned with the civil engineers, EAR is SE policy, storage and erection is concerned with the industries. See, what is the major difference between your car policy and EAR policy? Their car policy is maximum concerned with the civil engineers, whereas EAR and SE policy is concerned with the industries, stamping and industry. Sum insured. Here, the sum insured to be completely erection value project including freight cost and erection. The completely erection value will be available in your bidding amount where your contracting allocated to you. The same amount can be taken as a sum insured for the policy. What in the year policy period is included? Period of insurance under year policy can be date of arrival, first considered website. They expire after completion of the things. Here, the photo indicates there is a hectic damage to the boundaries. There is very long area of the boundary has been getting damaged and it has been paid for due to erosion. What is the mean project for all these countries? Machinery dominates, another nomenclature, storage and erection. These are things can be covered. Concept of all this, what is excluded is not known. This is a concept of all this. There is a two section in this year policy. One is already I have told you material damage and TP liability. This is applicable for here also. Then here maximum is during the testing period can be covered in the policy, and cold testing also covered. Cold testing is nothing but the trial run is ready for on no load condition. Hot testing is nothing but involves checking and parts, elements, production lines under full value of the policy. This is the main difference between cold testing and hot testing. Coverage in the ER. The current coverage will be the same like this: landslide, rockslide, accident, failure of safety devices, leakage of electricity. As explained here, earlier also come to this here also. Major perils act of God claims. What are the major act of God claims? AOG claims. Earthquake. Earthquake is not ever. It is an act of God claims. Landslide, rockslide, subsidence, flood and inundation, storms, STFI, tempest, hurricane, typhoon, cyclone, lightning, or other disturbances, atmospheric disturbances. All things will be covered under the AOG policy. Here, faulty design, we already dealt with the faulty design in the other CAR policy also. Exclusion limited to items immediately affected by these perils does not exclude subsequent loss of damage to the other items. Cost of rectification will easily paid to the insured who already taken the insurance for this industry. General insurance year policy. It is a general exclusion. War and war group of perils. If something has war and has been declared, that the insurance will not come into act. Terrorism, nuclear perils, willful act of negligence, cessation of work, partial or total, consequent losses, contractual penalties. If any penalties has been imposed, the penalty will not be covered in this policy. These are the main. These things cannot be covered. What is the special provision for year policy? Policy provides a premium adjustment at the end of the policy. If all the things are not covered in this, can be adjusted at the end of the policy. What are the special provisions? Principal surrounding property. Removal of debris. If something happened, it has to be removed. Can be covered. TP liability can be easily covered. Other extension like express freight, overtime, escalation, air freight, maintenance visit cover on lines of the car policy. Other car, what are the things car policy is covering? Here, EIR policy also covered. The same EIR policy, hydroelectric project can be involved. Heavy civil works like construction of that can be easily covered. The contract versus insurance policy combine the benefit of our CAR and EIR policy. These are the coverage both along with the CAR and EIR policy. Project related TPL insurance covers third party liability. TPL means third party liability insurance cover all contractual parties within the scope of the policy. That the principal and financial can be easily covered. Cost of litigation recovered by the claimant can be covered. Difference costs subject to AOI and AOA. Any one accident and any 1 year limit. That is a insurance accordance in this. So it can be easily covered. This is an optional cover under CAR IAR policy. For project having value up to 100 crores, it can be the indemnity will be 1 crore on AO and AOI. This is the basis of insurance. The same thing, project insurance, earthquake, and the third party TPL liability is available for here also. Same thing here, the material damage for material damage, machinery insurance, boiler pressure, boiler the proper pressure plant can be easily covered in this. Electronic equipment, I told you, most of the machines are coming with electronic equipment nowadays. It can be easily covered under the electronic MBD policy. Apart from MBD policy, it can be covered under the electronic policy also. Contract and military policy, civil engineering complete risk, CECR. I told you, civil engineering complete risk is fully meant for civil. Deterioration of DOS, deterioration of stocks can be covered. And it is a financial risk. Business interruption is a financial risk for LOP. What is the machinery insurance policy? These are the meant for MBD policy. Here the photo depicting the machinery damage due to cyclone. Every part has been dismantled and the cost of dismantle and reinstating the damaged portion has been given to this machinery. This is property to be covered, boilers, pressure plants with ancillaries, electric equipment like alternating generators, motors can be easily covered in this. What is the summation we can take? Current new replacement value. RAV, it is a RAV policy. What is the power plant machinery? Power transmission machinery can be covered in this policy. Unfortunately, sudden physical loss or damage to any cost other than exclusion on the insured property can be covered. For dismantling, I already told you, dismantling, cleaning, overhauling, during cleaning or overhauling, during subsequent erection, reassembling, while being shifted from within insured premises, all the things can be covered into one policy. What are the electrical short circuit, arcing, failure of insulation, malfunctioning of control circuits? These can be easily covered in this policy. Mechanical, for example, faulty material, casting. These are the exclusion for the person. Maladjustment, loosening of parts, abnormal stress, centrifugal forces, defective lubrication, Failure of protective equipment is there in the. What is the extra accident cover? Entry of foreign body, impact pollution. This can be counted. Submission should be the same thing. It is a RME policy. Submission should be RME policy only. It can be duty, everything, erection value, everything can be covered under this policy. Now we come to the CPM policy. What is it? CPM policy covered under this. Property covered is contract plant and machinery. The plant and machinery which are available within the contract premises, it can be covered. It can be covered CAR, EAR policy also. For insured of sum insured will be CPM is 5% of total sum insured of CAR and EAR project subject to maximum from 25 lakhs. So what is the policy coverage for CPM? The same thing is applicable here also. Fire, storm, tempest, accident damage, everything coming to here also. This photo depicts the damage due to the CPM policy. One of the area is confined with the flood, due to which the project can't stand still. We recommend for the claim for this site, and it has been valued and surveyed. The final value amount will be given to the insured. What is the cover for CPM cover? While being dismantled for the same applicable reassembling, everything will be applicable for here also. CPM. That's why I am rushing out, and as the policy condition are equal apart from your ECR, ER and CPM policy. The exclusion as available as it is in the ER policy only. What is the boiler pressure? It is a boiler pressure generated steam which is used in various processes of industry. Can be various industries can take over standalone policy also. You can standalone policy taken as a boiler regional policy. Steam is also used for thermal power plants to drive the turbines. Property covered boilers, economizer, superheaters, steam pipes, pressure vessels, other vessels under the steam, gas, or pressure. Definition: boiler. It is a definition by any fire closed vessel combined contained piping system in which steam is generated. These are the definition as per the insurance formula. It has to be met with. What is the perils covered? Explanation of collapse of the insured boiler, pressure vessel resulting in damage boiler pressure plant, damage to surrounding property. If at all something happens to the surrounding property to the pressure vessel expansion, it will be automatically covered. Major exclusion. See what is the major exclusion here? Major exclusion is nothing but explanation collapse, sum insured, current replacement value insured. They say same sum insured is RME policy only. What is the deterioration of stock? If you are having stock in your premises, what is the insurance or stock spoilage insurance? You can take a stock. This is a form of consequential loss. When you consequential loss, your stocks contain a large cold storage. If it is your industry is cold storage industry, it is very well suitable for you to take this policy. The insurance covers against the risk, reservation, purification, contamination of stock as a result of change in temperature of the cold storage chambers due to breakdown or impact. These are the machinery insurance as machine plant is compulsory. If you are going to take this policy, you have to note this machinery insurance. MBD should be, and MBD of your refrigerant plant is compulsory should be there. It is only one condition for deterioration of stocks. These are the two types of policy. Same here, potatoes in cold storage. Other than potatoes in cold storage, example seafoods like fish, prawns, prawn fillets, dairy products like cheese, butter, fruits, vegetables, and food items can easily be covered in this policy. Then, now we have the electronic equipment. I already told you a lot of machinery is available with electronic equipment nowadays. It is better to go for MBD policy for machinery along with electronic equipment. If your machinery is equipped with electronic equipment. Lot of things, medical equipment also covered. Your medical equipment, your dental chair, your operation theater. Operation theater can be covered MBD cover. Can go for MBD cover. Electronic equipment cover can be if you are running a hospital, can be easily covered under this policy. Not only this, your computer system is available within your premises, your office premises can be covered. These are the coverage for the your industry. Scope of cover. What is the scope of cover in this policy? Cover is all risk. This scope of cover is all including location, operational, AOG, human element list. These are the sum insured under the 6 series. Current new repair, CNRB, we used to call as a current replacement risk, can be easily covered. And another is what is the exclusion available in this policy? Quality defects. This exclusion, everything available in this, your other policies also. Here, main the law or under contract loss, damage to exchangeable tools, bulbs, valves, tubes, ribbons, belts, etc. These are the things. Operating media, lubricating oil or cannot be covered in this policy, cannot be indemnified. This excess stated, the excess is nothing but excess policy, excess in this policy can be different with the other policy. Same applicable here also. What the scope of the, what is the scope of the electronic equipment? Coverage under section 1 and 3 is optional. You can section 1, 2 and 3 are optional. Section 1 is compulsory. Section 2 covers the external data media. Data media is your software. Software cannot be, it is optional. You can go for coverage for your software, external data media against your external extra cover. Sum insured is nothing but cost of restoring the insured external data media by new material and reproducing the list of deletion. Section 3 covers the increased cost of working. It is a financial loss due to the this thing will be covered in this policy. Civil engineering, of course, since we are move away with plant and machinery, we are less important to the civil engineering, to the insurance. In respect of BOT claims, BOT means built, operate and terminate. BOT projects, owners, operators of civil engineering structures seek comprehensive insurance protection against the damage under the completion of work. Structure suitable of CECR, civil engineering risk insurance are listed. Below roads, runways, bridges, everything and the I'm not going to pull into this because it is not fully considered our constitutional loss on the machinery. What are the constitutional loss for MBD policy? Machinery loss of profit, MLOP policy, MLOP clause, and boiler pressure policy, BPP, LOP. If your boiler comes to standstill, financial loss to this pressure plant due to which the financial loss will be covered in this profit. This is the MLOP, machinery loss of profit and boiler plant loss of profit. Boiler plant loss. This has the LOP nothing but it is covering your financial loss due to breakdown of the particular machine or unit. These are all the ALOP, advanced loss of profit. These are also MD erection period. Material damage to the erection period can also be covered. Project delay. Project delay can be, as I already told you, some of the projects are being given to the supplier, contractor on time basis. If at all you are going to take 1 year or 2 years, 1 month or 2 more extra, you will be fined this month. If you are taking more than 3 months, you will be fined this month. This other thing can be covered under this policy. The consequence, the financial consequence of the project delay. Here, how this ALOP is given. Sum insured under ALOP has to be based on assumption of gross profit or increased cost of working. Can be easily come under this policy. What are the indemnified gross of profit? The ALOP and the gross profit due to the LOP. Increased cost of working due to delay caused by the operation of it. Not only delay, increased cost also can be uniformly covered as gross profit equal to net profit and standing charges can be easily covered. Standing charge is nothing but fixed charge are incurred even on absence of the condition. Project period, and this are the period has to be, you have to inform the insurance company already so that it can be easily taken care of, and due to indemnity period of ALOP, transit cold planning, hot and site storage, handling, construction, erection, actual commencement of the commercial operation, testing schedule, date of commencement, insured business. Everything will be recorded into the insurance, and then it will be easily applicable to you. So that any applicable ALOP can be ascertained on the basis of your delay in profit delay in completion of your project, and you will be awarded according to your requirement. Now, after completion of insurance, we are coming to the valuation of plant and machinery. How we have to, when you are going for a evaluating the plant and machinery, what are the things has to be taken into consideration? We are going to use the specificity of the determination of the worth of valuation. By valuation, we are going to define what is the worth of the your company is, your industry is. Extension of monetary terms is the worth of existing PME and everything is can be covered in this policy. PME plant and machinery, the equipment valuation is largely qualitative, heavily dependent on value judgment justification. It will be dependent on the maximum on value experience. You can say the value experience also. Whether condition of machinery can really satisfy the purpose of valuation. It has to solve the purpose of valuation. How will you assess it? See here the purpose is there is one of the company has to be valued. This is the TMT bar manufacturing machine industry, manufacturing industry being valued. Assessment, how the assessment is, whether any buyer can buy the existing setup as per valuation report, financial institute can offer loan to existing owner for further expansion. If at all the owner is going for further expansion, it can be valid for them. What are the purpose of valuation? To ascertain the market value. To go for insurance, you can go for insurance, you have to ascertain the value of your industry. Bank finance, if at all you are going to go for bank finance or top of your bank finance, can go for the valuation. Lease finance, if at all you are going to lease the industry to somebody else, you have to ascertain what is exactly available at first. This lease finance can be, for lease finance, you are lesser or lessee can go for the valuation. Liquidation, if at all you are going to wind up this thing and for liquidation, it cannot be, it can be double. Takeover, when you are going for takeover, it can be taken. Merger, you are going to merge the company with other entity. You go for this one. Sale and purchase, if you are going to purchase or sale, can be the valuation can be done. Rating, for example, Chrysler or Moody, they will accept the value report to rating for rating purpose. Insolvency, become insolvency, recovery of loan by selling assets. Valuation report is scrap value to ascertain the scrap value of the industry. These are all the valuation report is very much need of the other. What are the phase of evaluation problem? Phase 1, terms of reference, and phase 2 is strategy of valuation. Phase 3 is physical verification. Phase 4 data collection and valuation analysis under different approaches to the value. Phase 5 is reconciliation. As a valuer, if you are a valuer, if you are given one type of work to you to ascertain the exact value in the industry, you have to go by phase to phase. First, phase 1, you have to go for phase 1. You have to go for ascertaining what are the reference it has been used, why you are going for valuation. Then you have to make the strategy. What is the strategy to be made for this valuation to be understood? And the physical verification of each and every machine which are available in the premises has to be implemented. Data collection. What is the data collection has to be available? Well, data collection means what is the purchase year? What is the purchase year available with the this thing has to be ascertained at the and what are the valuation unless you are going to give the input. The input what you are going to give into the process into the and finally the reconciliation. Reconciliation has to be that for the valuation. These are all the variable approach. Even it is recognized by IBA standard, International Valuation Standard. These are what are the three approaches: market approach, income approach, and the cost approach. Even though I am not going to in detail about the market approach, everything is I just want to touch upon some salient points of the business. What is the availability of reliable information data and appropriateness of method in view of the nature and asset purpose of the value should be given first. Respect and strength, observable market information, price information. This will be readily available for price information. If at all you purchase the machine some 20 years back or 20 years back, it should be you are in a position to evaluate the machine as a condition. This is the main aim of the valuer and the duty of the valuer also. What is the role and function of the valuer? Valuer has to be fully conversant with the process. Valuer has to personally visit the site and carry out the survey. Value has to take the necessary photograph with date and selfie, photo of the value site and the evidence of the present, description of whether necessity and added form of notes and prepare proper valuation input with the required photographs and justification. These are the role of the valuer. What are the depreciation? What is the depreciation have to be applied? See, here is the chimney. How to make a depreciation for this equipment? You have to take the purchase cost or other manufacturing costs and the maintenance costs. What is the maintenance has been taken into care of? Whether a routine maintenance has been given into that. You have to consider everything under the basis, right? You have to ask for the all documents from the customer, and based on this, the depreciation has to be arrived. What is the observed depreciation has to be arrived? Straight line method. What is the straight line method that we are going to make it for making the survey and valuation report? Written down value method. These are all the method being applicable to the depreciation method. What is the practice for being encountered in this? Value purchase confidence owner seller. Aesthetics looks like the machine, because by seeing the machine itself, you can say what is the age of the machine. Functional excellence and performance of the machine, it has to be taken into care of. Success and the objective of evaluation is done under cost comparison. We have to compare the machine cost with the other video also. Age effective and the also. Maintenance information, repair data. I already told you these are the things to be collected from the customer and revenue data. What is the revenue it has been collected so far? And what is the operating cost? What is the procurement time and registration cost? Everything has to be taken into consideration before having the final cost. What is the valuation of the old machine with the new machine? See, that is the cost of old machine is you can pay at least by machine. You have to compare with the old machine with the new machine. It is the value note of the it is duty of the value to compare with the rate with the cost of the machine with the old and new. These are the method to be followed by the valuer to maximum get the output, so that you can go get IRR, ROI. IRR is the internal rate of return, ROI is return on investment. These are the things we have to get so that it can be easily arrive the FMV value. FMV value is nothing but fair market value. This is a fair market value or liquidation, or liquidation can be easily identified. It is a prime duty of the valuer to identify the FMV. Finally, their value is going to identify what is the fair market value of the industry or machinery with for which they are going to machinery. For which you are going for the evaluation, which are for identification, you cannot go for machine not available. The cost is not available with you. The purchase invoice is not available with the customer. How to value this machine? These are all the conditions. Should be in operation, expected to benefit the user. Like that, these are all the conditions has to be made by to be imparted to the customer and get the maximum reading from the customer, so that we can easily know what is the operating cost of the asset, period since the machine is in use, professional judgment of the value of the TVS and invoice should be applied to arrive the valuation estimate. These are the index has to be applied to get the what is the maximum output can be given. For which the machineries are still not in use, it has become depleted, it is burned, not in use. Manufacturing nowadays, what is how to make the valuation for standard distinct? To keep the face of the demand, technology to production of separate research or discriminate display their utility and serviceable function. These are the things have to be ascertained by the valuer before going for the maximum output. What is these are the cost difference and the similarity rectification process by different manufacturers. Same machine is see here. This is the one of the machine available for valuation. The same machine is manufactured by some of the other supplier also. We have to correlate with the other machine and to arrive the exact value of the machine. These are all the what are the discount condition and what is the methodology being used by the valuer is this scenario. Definition of coordination and value, cost, space, and value. Even though we are saying that these three are more equivalent to each other, but there is a difference between each other as per valuer formulas. For which this presentation will be used. The terms cost, price, and value are the used interchangeability, but different interpretation to codes and the accounts as opened by the appraiser. This appraiser is nothing but valuer. The simple example might to say cost is what is incurred, that price is not marked, and the value is what one obtained of the asset. These are the things how to make the differentiate the other things. See here, this is a factory of making this one molten material. It being approach is valued at the cost approach. How to make it is a cost approach. Other these are the approach to be made to the different approaches to be made for as per valuers. They have to ascertain the what is the exact nature of business that the customer is doing. Accordingly, they will use the approaches. These are the different approaches. But see here, it is an income approach. Finally, I am going to take. It is a powerful valuation tool to provide the credibility and quality of the measurable by user. Even you can explain the customer that I am going to use this approach for your factory, so that you will be get maximum output for this thing. And then these are my final this thing. I am of course very thankful to you, and thank you for the patient hearing of this session.
Mr. Begum.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Now we will go for question and session. You
Please,
can close
please.
your screen.
Okay.